Fefdy.
Horizontal subtraction. Horizontal subtraction. To subtract horizontally, the minuend is written on the left, the subtrahend is written on the right, and the difference is calculated by subtracting subtrahend from the minuend. To subtract horizontally, the minuend is written on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7's minuend. The subtrahend is written on the right. 1, 2, 3. 3's subtrahend. And the difference is calculated by subtracting subtrahend from the minuend. Among 7 pear fruits, mask 3 pear fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pear fruits will be remaining. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Among 7 pear fruits, mask 3 pear fruits, 4 pear fruits will be remaining. How can we subtract 3 numbers horizontally? Write the number left to right.
7
Minus
3
minus
4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
There are 7 cups.
1 2 3.
There are 3 cups.
1 2 3 4.
There are 4 cups. Let's take first 2 numbers. Subtract 3 from 7, so cross out 3 cups.
1 2 3.
How many cups are remaining?
1 2 3 4.
There are 4 cups. Now move on to the third number.
4
Minus
4.
equal to 0. When you subtract a number from the same number, the difference is always 0.
Each course book comes with an engaging activity book, turning learning into interactive fun for every student. Dive into the Fefdy learning adventure. Contact us at 89398-90347 or visit www.fefdy.com.
Vertical subtraction.
Aunt Hafifa, is there an easier way to learn vertical subtraction?
Absolutely, Kelsey. Let me introduce you to vertical subtraction without borrowing.
That sounds great. How does it work?
Vertical subtraction is a method of subtracting numbers by minuend above, subtrahend below, according to the place value. In vertical subtraction, we subtract numbers by writing the digits in place value vertically. 4 is a minuend. 2 is a subtrahend.
All right. Let's subtract 2 from 4.
4 is a minuend. 2 is a subtrahend. There are 4 puffins. Subtract 2 puffin. Now we will take away 2 puffins. Remaining 1, 2. Balances is 2 puffin. So the difference is 2.